Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. So glad that you chose to join us today for another health tip. So on today's health tip, we're going to be looking at how to build our immune system. And this recipe is just simply called an immune booster. And that's what we all need right now, isn't it? An immune booster. First of all, you will need 6 lemons, 1 bulb of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and if you don't have ground ginger, then just a half an inch of fresh ginger, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of honey, 250 milliliters of pineapple juice. And what were you going to do with all of those? Well, you'll peel the lemons, take the skin off the garlic, peel, scrape the ginger, and then all of those ingredients will go into a blender, and that's it. You just blitz it all together, and it's as simple as that. And once you've blitzed it all together, you just take it, pour it in a bottle, and then put that bottle in the fridge, and you can take that 3 times a day. What are all these ingredients good for? Well, as you know, lemons are packed with vitamin C, and also there's vitamin B in the lemons, and also calcium and potassium. In the garlic, we know that garlic is a natural antibiotic, so already it's going to be building your immune system. Ginger powder and cayenne pepper, they add that heat to the body and allows the blood to circulate more freely around the body. And then pineapple juice contains bromelain, which is good for the digestive system, and it also helps to break down that outer shell of the virus, so that it can be effective in attacking any viruses that there might be. If, as some of you might be, have a sensitivity to garlic, what I would say is just leave the garlic out and just put in all of the other ingredients, and it will still be as effective. You could replace it with something like echinacea, but don't worry if you haven't got it, just use what you've got. And like I said, to be taking it about 3 times a day, and you will find that your immune system will be stronger because of it. So thank you for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell for your weekly notifications on Thursday. Bye! Recipes in the description box below. Remember to follow Forever Vegan Inspo on Instagram.